Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the call history for one specific contact on your iPhone. Now, if you want to see how many times or exactly when one specific contact either called you or you called them, you can see just that call history. I'll show you how to do it. First, just open up the phone app on your iPhone and tap on Recents at the bottom left. You need to be in Recents for this to work. And then scroll down to find that contact, an example when they called you or you called them. Tap on the little I to the right of their name. If it defaults to voicemails here, make sure to tap on Details and tap on Call History. This will show you a running log of all of the incoming and outgoing as well as the missed calls for this one person. And you can see I can scroll down to the bottom and it captures everything, in this case all the way from August 2025 here in April 2026. So almost a year's worth of records. You can see all of the incoming and outgoing calls for just that one person. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.